Yo, YouTube, what's good? I'm just here the day after I just jailbroke my phone with the new Pangu, 7.1.2, easy 5-minute download. You can get it anywhere on, YouTube. You can find out. It takes like 10, like I said, 5-10 minutes to download it. Doesn't take long, easy. Just here to show you my theme. This is what I got right now through downloading a specific theme and also getting Springtomize. I'm going to show you what I did to get my theme. So my main theme is going to go into Wonderboard here. This is an app that you should download if you want to get a new theme onto your phone. So my theme is Benzene. Benzene is my #1 theme. It's like my favorite because it's not circle or square apps. I'm sick of like that basic stuff, but this icon or whatever it's pronounced is like my second best recommended theme. I wasn't a big fan of Wooden or Kalos, but yeah, the icon and Benzene are definitely my favorite. The one that I have on right now, of course, is Benzene. For that, you just go into Cydia and just type in the name and Benzene theme, and you'll find it for free. For everything else that you see, the gray, you see how like my numbers are sort of bluish purple. You see that everything is black and white, like stuff like that. I have the Nike on top of that stuff. To get this app called Springtomize. Now, normally it is $3.99, $4.99, but I'm going to show you a way to get it for free, completely safe. Springtomize, you can change your animations, so if you want your custom speed or whatever, app slider, your icon. So this is what I did for mine, like black and white, so it all looks black and white. Large font, change my font. As you see under my my apps, it's cursive. And then lock screen, so what do you want to look at on your lock screen, your pages, and of course your status bar. So this app is highly recommended if you want to literally customize your phone just the way you want it. For those of you who are trying to get Activator but it's not working, because I know I've tried to get Activator but it wasn't working, there is a way to get it. As you see, I have Activator right here, because now it says it's only available for like 1.8.2 or 3 or some shit like that, and I'm not a big fan of that. So for those of you who use Activator, where you go into certain apps by pressing certain buttons and stuff like that, I'm going to show you how to do that. So you go into Cydia first of all. Now, whenever you go into Cydia, whatever's on the top, well, I'm not sure if this happens to anyone, but this happens to me. Whenever I go into only Cydia, like the top, you don't see the Nike symbol or like the new battery. Like, you don't see any of that. It's just straight up like the way it was when, like, before you added any modifications to your phone. So I'm going to give you 2 sources to add onto your sources if you want to get certain apps for free, or apps that says they can't be supported by your phone if you want to get that on your phone. So this is literally the best way to make it so that your phone is the exact way, like the way you envisioned it in your head that you want your phone. Just taking a second to load right now. So for these 2 sources, it takes about like 2 seconds. One's called Bite Your Apple, and I'm not sure what the other one is, but it's in here somewhere. I only added 2 sources after I downloaded the jailbreak. Like I said, I've only had it for about a day now. Found it on a YouTube video actually, but I'll show it to you right now just so that you don't have to hunt for it. I also put it in the link below for those of you who, or I'll just put it in my comments for description for those of you who want to get it. So as you can see, the question marks. Okay, hold on. First, let me show you where the source is at. So the source is right here by your Apple, repo.byyourapple.net, and Sinful iPhone Repo. This lets you get any app for free that may cost any money or may not be supported by your phone. So I'm going to show you an app called Spin. This is in order to get your music. Like I'll show it to you right now. It's a picture right here. So this is Spin right here. This is the original version supported by Cydia. So you can see it says unable to purchase. This product is not supported on your iOS. But with Bite Your Apple, the one with the question mark, whenever you put in an app that costs money, if you see the question mark, that's the one that you should press. So as soon as you go into that, This is Bite Your Apple right there. Describes literally everything is the same except it does go on your phone. So let me just show you guys a picture of what Spin is and why I got it. So Spin, so like whenever I play music on my dash, or like on my lock screen after I lock it, I want it to look, it looks like this, exactly like this. This is just what I wanted from my phone, but that's just me. So that's just how you get apps that cost money with that. But like I said, Springtomize is my #1 recommended app. That app will let you do literally do anything for you. And the Bite Your Apple and the other one that I told you guys about, that lets you do anything also in terms of downloading. So as you can see, I have Activator, which says on the original it can't be on your phone. Recorder, what I'm using right now, that also said it costs like $3.99, I think. Mixtube, so just stuff like that. IAP free lets you buy stuff for free when in game, so you just press purchase and it just said purchase already without you having to actually put any information in it. So yeah, that's just it. I'll show you some customizations. So as you can see, the top, I put the Nike symbol, changed my signal, my battery on the top right. Normally when I message someone, iMessage, while you're in app, so I could just be like this, you would see on the top where the clock is that that person has read that message and is replying. So that you don't have to keep going to your messages and wondering if someone's already read your message or something. In case it's not locked, you already know. So like I said, going to this, you can see it's dark blue, nice. Like to me, this is nice, and then it's purple font, so literally changes the way everything looks. Going to Instagram for a second. Now, after you do jailbreak your phone, I'm on an iPhone 4, so this obviously is not as fast as I would like for it to be. I would like it to be extremely fast, but yeah, this here's kind of ugly. Yeah, that's just the way it is. If you have an iPhone 5 or 5C, it'll probably go really fast, so like a normal pace phone. But I have the 4 and it's struggling on its own, like by itself. So, but that's another thing that so first of all, here's the thing I'm telling you about. So you can see purple, blue, everything's changed up on here. But like I was saying, that's why Springtomize makes you customize all that stuff for you and everything that you need. So I will leave the name of the 2 themes that I did recommend. If you want to check them both out or have it doesn't really matter to me. I got the 5 columns, so it looks nicer. Have more apps on one page. Really fast if you want to make your phone. If you do download Springtomize and you want to figure out how to make your phone fast, like in terms of animations and apps, you just go into animations, and the custom speed has to be on the very lowest one. That makes your phone go really fast. In terms of exiting certain things or getting into certain apps, the ones with internet do take normal time because your phone can't speed up the internet, but that's just whatever, you got to deal with that. My transitions does look a little bit messed up right now, but that's because I'm recording it off the phone, so you can't really see the transitions. Not sure why it does that, but it's whatever. You guys understand the point of what I'm doing. So if you do download stuff and you're worried about, oh, the app isn't here, like where's the app, I'm pretty pissed, just go into settings, and then once you get into settings, you scroll down, keep going, and as you can see, here are all your apps. Now, as you can like you can clearly tell all these apps were not on my page. So stuff like Alkaline, so Activator, that's what I use for the changing. So like if I double tap the home button twice, it'll take me to music or stuff like that. Alkaline is for the battery. So hold on. So you can see like these are all the battery things that you can make it look like. So like display recorder, I'm using Eclipse for the font. For the color of like the font and stuff. Springtomize 3, that's definitely an app that you need. Winterboard, Zeppelin, I'm pretty sure is for the Nike symbol, so just stuff like that. So if you go into Zeppelin, you go into certain ones. If you want to get down the top left, these are all the things you got to choose from. So like if you look at the left corner right now, see they got Decepticon, Dark Knight, Cloud, Beats by Dre. Yeah, so that's just that. And yeah, that's really all you need to, that's just, it's not really all you need to know, but it's a small little portion as to what apps you can get to make your phone exactly the way you want it, the way you like it. To me, this is perfect. I'm probably gonna make some customizations later because eventually you get bored of certain things. I'm a type of person that likes to change stuff around all the time, so that's just me. But yeah, this to me is a really cool thing. Any questions, just comment on below and I'll try my hardest to answer. So thanks for watching this video. Hope it helped you, and enjoy the new jailbreak.